Well, hey guys, a little bit different video for you today. I am reviewing these gloves. I've had a few questions about them, both in real life and in the videos, but these are my Odin Manufacturing heavy hitters in waxed brown leather. They're pretty cool. Good fit. Armor across the knuckles. All of them. I wear these more as a highway glove, but you know, whatever. You can also pull the finger out so you can play with your devices, I guess, while you're at a stoplight. I don't know, I've never used it, but yeah, another cool feature with them. They have a magnet in the glove. So you can throw them on your fuel tank. They'll stay there as long as you have an actual metal fuel tank. But any metal will work. You can also stick them to each other. They're good gloves. I've got another pair of Odin Manufacturing gloves, which is a Canadian company, so support Canadian if you're Canadian. If you're not, just buy cool gloves like these from a Canadian company. It works. But yeah, I just wanted to let you know. I'll link to these gloves and the Odin Manufacturing website so you can get whatever you want. They have vests, they have jackets, they have rain gear, they have pretty much, if you need it for riding, they have it. And I think they have some stuff for snowboarding. Might be wrong, but we'll see. But anyway, good gloves. Check them out. Got a nice comfortable fit. Velcro does up tight. Palm has some extra leather. As I said about the armor in the knuckles. Yeah, I got these as highway gloves, and honestly, I wear them more than that. I also have a pair of the Odin Manufacturing Moto MX gloves, which are alright. Velcro didn't last very long on mine, but I don't know. Not sponsored. Obviously, if you've seen my videos, you've seen my subscriber count, you know nobody's sponsoring me. So, honest opinion, really good gloves. Check them out.